Up top S&B from one of dip on everything blessed na the Thursday morning. Yeah, big up everybody who has support the thing you see. You can't stop big up real supporter, you see me. Yeah man, I want to check out our next channel named Rowan and Shelly. And big up all of the haters them we have forward from the other day. I'll make left some comment. You don't feel hurt by the comment or nothing wrong. Glad son of forward can give you some more views and things you see it and help the thing grow. Yeah man. I was gonna make a full comment. Rowan I go take it off our Bonez as my name. Some people remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. And I don't see the title already, so just check out the video and sit back and enjoy it.
Dog, this really freaked me up here. It really freaked me up. When I say I start all over, dog, all over, and every money I put in my account, every money I say, yo, I'm put in my account, I'm transfer it here, just to build up. So when I've done that, gotten a specific amount within this time frame, I still don't have enough money. I still have to put more. I still have to have a certain amount just in my account untouched. And at this point in time, every money I get funneled, fill up. Because I can't afford to not use my money. I have everything for me. Did I say this to you guys? Shit. Everything for me now, everything, my monthly expenses, almost tripled. They're a little bit above Bonez, and I don't blood cleanse. The amount of people see me don't put you on one picture. The amount of people see me look at me with mama. Look at me with mama. Look, I don't know what she said. Lyric, that's my ear, but she in a long skirt, which means she was Christian. That's what I think anyway. So she in a long skirt and so don't touch. She said, Lyric, somebody come and say, who that? Come here, somebody cross the road. I said, hug me up, mama, I'll do a corona. Somebody hug her up. And then mama said, take a picture. Mama, I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm really for take it out. Lyric, come in, mom. Multi-order something. Hello. It was really cool. It was really cool. It was cool. It was scary. I have to be honest. Because I don't know how to dress for like a regular walking up and downs. I'm on phone there. Maya call me. So, Maya, where you there? Maya to blood cleanse like, where you there? Maya, I saw me time for them something here. And for a split second, Mr. Father God, you will? Father God, you not answer, and them say silent means consent. I got to that as a yes. Okay, not say nothing. This say you walk up. So you're not catching me because I'm talking to you 3 more times made there. Where say, free fridge and stove, sir, don't do it. Doesn't do it. I walk right blood cleanse out. I'm going to walk out when I'm gone because him look good for trade and look like him at the man like for the look for the local oil something. So one girl like she said, Kevin. She said upstairs. I said, so come. Kevin. I said, she is pissing on her territory. I said, girl, I don't want Kevin. Where you there? But girl, me post TLC every day. I make my money for my pajamas. I don't need Kevin. But I said that in my heart. In my heart, in my mind. In my mind, I said something. And then him go as Kevin go upstairs. I just did when Kevin now go do, I make me and him there. Look at Kevin, look at me and Kevin there. Look at me and him there. So yeah. So tomorrow palette. Shit. Alright, so this LA Pro Primer. Mess up once. Zonzweer. I've been trying very hard to get enough water in, and when I do this service I have to get enough water in. I have not been able to do that, sadly, so I'm sorry. So I don't want to screw up my results because these sessions, you know, they're way less expensive than what I've been hearing. It is 9,000 per. Well, I have the info about how if you guys are coming from me, how you can get further discount. What else do I have to say? New York. I'll be coming to New York. Jennifer, I don't know what month. Jennifer, March, April, May, June, July. Probably July, August. I have to come after Jaleel's birthday, but before Jonathan goes back to school. I will not be there much. My lesions have healed. There, no, I just have like scabs, and that's it. What else do I have to tell you guys? For cat layer, right? So I'm doing purely weights in the gym. So my weight has gone up on the scale because it's accounting for the muscle mass. That's one. Two, because I go to the gym with Cat Leia with the body contouring services. Yesterday is the first time I did the laser lipo, and I have that on my page right now. And everybody's saying it's a bomb, but I have it on my page right now. So that one, I'm the first time doing that one. That just feels warm. That is the only thing. The only one that also is a little bit that I was worried about was the radio frequency one, where it was vibrating, and I didn't know it was vibrating. I thought it was shocking me. So after she turned it up, and she does it gradually. By it reaching full force, I'm like, oh, bet it's fine. You know what I mean? So that was the only discomfort I've had. And the electrotherapy, that's when they rub it on it, and it is helping under here. You can see the difference every single day. I drink sodas every single day. So what I'm trying to do now is just clean up my freaking diet so I can maximize my results. If you're going to be spending that much money and just sit on your ass, you're going to waste your money, waste your time, waste their time. Their product will look like it don't work, and they're going to be like, it don't work. When you know damn well you ain't doing shit. You're not drinking your water. You're eating junk food like Lyric. You're doing everything that you're not supposed to do, and then you're spending all this money. It makes no sense. Even people who have had plastic surgery still go for laser therapy and all those treatments because it's an upkeep. It's an upkeep. The only reason why I cannot do plastic surgery is because my lifestyle won't allow me to. I have to get up and move. I have to move. My lifestyle won't allow me to the plastic surgery. And my bank account, frankly, will not. My bank account say must have mad blood cleanse. Plastic surgery under overruling. Under FUFA supremacy. That's what my bank account said to me. So Cat Layer is a non-invasive, way cheaper option. If you're asking me, Lyric, should I go? Yeah, go. DM them, ask him for a consultation, and you can figure out which one works for you. Them are going to tell you how much you need. These are professional women. If them say, I'm going to need 5 or 10 or 15, mama, put on your money, do it every other week. I know so within that week that you're not doing it, bam, you maximize your results by doing whatever you need to do on your own. Body on a budget or BOA because I need to buy my car. You guys, it is freaking, and I'm so sorry for all the women that has to be taking taxis. That shit's scary. When I'm walking on the road, I have to walk so flipping fast and hold my bag in a certain way. Like if I walk with my bag, so the zip there, so me can't make the zip there on a back row, so one man can just open it. You understand? The zipper for the run up front, you have to come in front of me and open my bag zip. You get what I say? There's so much survival instincts that happens when I'm just walking, and every time because you know a taxi man take Zine, so every time like Lyric I sit down beside me, Lyric, I don't mind, but that's also very scary because like I don't know you, and I'm like, what if the girl like me? Like what if the money like me? Like yesterday I sat in the taxi and a man came in and sat behind me and touched me. Yo, me see I walk and I look so good. I said, thank you. Yo, if you want trim and whatever. And I'm tell you, since I get a vibe, believe I become the quickest bitch. I'm come from Remo, jungle, Tibali, everywhere. I say, my browns for do. My eyebrows for do. Bro, Jesus. That thing's I'm strapped to hold my talk to you strong. Because when you're so weak and open, they take advantage of that. You see me? So I'm being so honest with you guys right freaking now. The main reason I'm doing these classes so aggressively and when I'm in New York, that's me and my sponsor. I'll be working together. I'm a TLC all the way. It's because I need to buy my car. It is a need. At this point, it is a need. I'm on the road now every single day. I'm gonna know how to dress for go up on the road. Like, I can't go up on the road. I'm like, why? What's wrong with this? But then it's like, I don't like it. I don't like that I have to dress so a man don't look me. I have to dress so a man don't think to rape me. That shit is ridiculous. This is my clothes. This is my body. I've lost over 70 pounds in the last year or so. Why on earth should I be constantly considering somebody else's unmonitored wild? I not like that. So, yo, the women who are in public transportation, mama, when you walk fast. Hold your bag in front of you, have on your mask, and put on your headphones in your ears. It's not for on, but it's in your ears. So if they might talk to you, you can just ignore them and them feel like you listen to music. Dog, I just said there. And because I'm gonna want hype, but because I do have a name, and name guys. I have to go now, Zine. I love you guys. Classes, email me if you want products out here in Jamaica.
Alright, thanks for watching the video. See, don't know, it's a thing we put together and make it one. You see me? I want to request it all a while, so don't know, we have to make it possible for you have it if you can watch. So peace out.